Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sign up for Netflix. First, navigate to the Netflix website or download the Netflix application on your preferred device. Once there, you will be prompted to enter your email address to start your membership. This initial step is quick and easy, setting the stage for your entertainment journey. After providing your email, you will proceed to select a plan that aligns with your viewing habits and budget, ensuring you get the most out of your subscription. Netflix provides several plan options to cater to diverse needs. You can choose from plans that offer streaming on 1, 2, or even 4 devices simultaneously. Video quality also varies, ranging from standard definition to high definition and up to 4K Ultra HD for the best viewing experience. Think about how many people will be watching at once and the video quality you desire when making your choice, as this impacts your monthly fee. After selecting your plan, the next step is to create your account. You will need to set up a strong, unique password to protect your personal information and viewing history. Following this, you will securely enter your payment details, choosing from options like credit card or PayPal. It is crucial to review all your selections, including your chosen plan and payment information, before finalizing your membership. This ensures everything is correct before you proceed. Once your account is set up, you are ready to dive into the world of Netflix. You can immediately begin exploring a vast library of thousands of movies, television shows, and documentaries. Remember to create individual profiles for family members to receive personalized recommendations tailored to their tastes. Enjoy unlimited entertainment on a wide range of compatible devices, from smart televisions to smartphones, anytime and anywhere you choose.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.